Previously on The Big Bang Theory. Guess I'm your new neighbor, Penny.
Oh, Leonard, Sheldon.
Hi.
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 That's where I sit.
Howard Wolowitz, Caltech Department of Applied Physics.
Benny.
Leonard.
Raj.
He speaks English, he just can't speak to women.
Our babies will be smart and beautiful. Finally caught a break.
Soft kitty.
You know my girlfriend, Bernadette.
Warm kitty. Little ball of fur.
I'm Amy Farrah Fowler, you're Sheldon Cooper.
Bazinga! Welcome to the premiere episode of Sheldon Cooper Presents Fun with Flags.
I'm going up in space. Technically, I'm an astronaut.
You're talking to me.
I am.
Bernadette, Marianne Rostenkowski.
We now pronounce you husband and wife. Amy. Howard. Angry Amy.
I don't want you to say it just because social convention dictates
I
that
love you too.
Will you marry me?
We did it!
Well, I enjoyed that more than I thought I would.
I wonder which one's Hallie.
Will you marry me?
That means positive?
Super asymmetry. That's it.
our paper was right. We did it.
We did it?
We did it.
Our whole universe was in a hot, dense state. Then nearly 14 billion years ago, expansion started. Wait. The Earth began to cool. The autotrophs began to drool. Neanderthals developed tools. We built a wall. We built the pyramids. Math, science, history, unraveling the mystery that all started with a big bang.